Um, just be safe and get a job and grow up faster than me. Stay safe. Do your best and make sure you call your family members because they miss you. Good luck. Maybe you should remember to get to work on time and make sure you do your job right.
Don't forget to clean your room, make your bed, brush your teeth. I don't know. I guess remember where your home is when you go to the store or somewhere far away.
Follow your dreams, have fun subjects, and have fun at college.
Do your best work and be good when you're at college. So do a good job and make sure you do the right thing so you don't get fired.
They should call their parents when they need help. And when they're frustrated, ask the teacher to help. And don't cheat and look at people's tests. And be good and be kind to the other students in the class. Plus, Jaws are a movie, but you watch the movie. It's odd, you watch it.
Okay. Makes complete sense to me.